Flow control. It allows you to control brew water flow rate when extracting espresso. Today, a look at one example of what you can do with flow control as we pull two bottomless triple shots using a fresh from roast Ethiopian Yirgacheffee coffee. One at full flow rate and one using an extended low flow pre-infusion, followed by a moderate flow main extraction. Hey, espresso lovers, Mark here from Whole Latte Love. In a minute, I'll be joined by Todd and we'll pull and taste those shots, demonstrating a typical way to use flow to get the most out of a fresh specialty coffee. Now, I want you to get a really good look at what's happening. So, quite the setup here with a camera isolated on the portafilter and shot glass, another on the flow control and pressure gauge mounted on the E61 group, and we'll be logging the extractions using an Acaia Lunar scale connected to their Brewmaster app to record brew ratios, timing, and more. We'll split screen all that so you can see exactly what happens in real time. Flow control is a device we worked on with ECM and ProfTech to bring to many of their E61 group machines, ranging from the single boiler ECM Classica to the heat exchange ProfTech Pro 500 and dual boiler machines, their 600, 700, and the ECM Sychronika we'll be using today. The device is fairly straightforward, using a valve within the mushroom to control flow rate. Machines equipped with flow control also include a group-mounted brew pressure gauge. So you can turn the valve to increase or decrease flow rate and monitor brew pressure as well. We'll be using an Ethiopian Yirgacheffee coffee from Fuego Coffee Roasters that's just 7 days from roast. This coffee is known for blueberry, tropical fruit, chocolate, and vanilla flavors. It's grown at 1,800 to 2,200 meters. Slower growth at that altitude produces a smaller, denser bean packed with flavor. When really fresh, made as espresso, it can be overly bright, so we'll use an extended low-flow pre-infusion to tone that down, producing a rounder cup and get deeper into the grind to pull out more of the fruity flavors. Hey Todd, thanks for joining me. So let's pull some triple bottomless shots. We'll do it two different ways, right? See if we can't get some better flavors out of this coffee using some flow control.
That was a good plan.
So you've got a pearl scale, an Acaia pearl scale over there using to weigh our coffee, just make sure we're getting exactly 21 grams.
And I've got the Chiato E37S.
Really nice grinder.
It's a really commercial grinder we're all using for home now. It's really low retention and quiet, smooth, very well made.
Beautiful.
And a really great adjustment on it. You can dial everything in real easy, your shots in real easy.
With a quick set like that?
Yep.
You're using the leveler there. I know you prefer a tampo. I'm a leveler guy, so we're going to go with that. So let me, So I'm going to set the Brewmaster app here to auto start. So it's just going to start recording once it registers. Let's make sure. So we're going to turn the flow so that we're getting full flow. So it's just like we didn't have a flow control on it, and see what happens here.
You ready?
We are ready.
Got all your stuff set up?
Yeah. We've got a lot going on here. We really do. There we go. Okay. Pretty good. Getting some spurts. You know, sometimes the pre-infusion can help with that. You know,
keep the channeling down.
Yeah. But we're going to go right for 42 grams is what we're looking for.
So I'll shut it off when it hits 40 for that little delay. Nice looking shot.
And I'll stop it on the app here. I'm going to take a picture of this just for reference. You can do that with the Brewmaster app. It's kind of cool.
We're right on 42.1 grams on that.
Nice.
Okay, you got it.
Got it. And you see in the app there, we've got our 1-to-2 ratio. From first drip was 21 seconds. But we'll get a taste here. And I'm guessing, well, you hold your thoughts for a second. It's got a real astringent bite, really, right off the top is what I'm getting. I get the fruit after that.
Yeah, it's bright, but I still get the flavors I'm looking for in there. Taste some blueberry, a little bit of vanilla. Yeah, it's good. But
okay, but let's try another one. Now we're going to use the flow control. So I'll let you reload that. I'm going to save this brew and set up to get another one going here. And if I stop closing the app, that would be better. So I'll do log a brew.
Make sure I'm zeroed out here.
The Acaia Lunar scale here is really nice. So you can set it so that it starts timing when it registers the first drip. So set it up to auto tare. And again, 21 grams. This time what we're going to do, and I'll wait till you get that in there.
I should dial down my time a little bit so I don't waste this coffee. There we go.
Okay. So I'll let you load that up. And now we're going to take on the flow control this time. So I'm going to fully close it. Then I'm going to open a quarter turn. It's going to give us about somewhere in the neighborhood of 2.5 grams per second of flow. Let me hold on 1 second. Let me just get the app so it starts automatically here. Okay.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Let's go.
So we're going to let this go for probably about 15 seconds here before I go up a quarter turn. So it's a really low flow. Some of this, what I'm kind of looking for is just maybe when the coffee is just starting to come through the portafilter there, usually about 15 seconds. I'm just seeing it. So I'm going to go up another quarter turn now, increase to about a 4.5 grams per second.
It looks different.
Yeah, it sure does. It's looking really good coming out right now. Really, really nice.
Okay, we're 30 grams. We'll shut off at 40 again.
Yeah. Oh, let me get the picture. Let me stop the app there.
You got to catch before I pull your coffee away.
That's a decent looking shot. We'll see how get the taste of that in a second. So I'm going to use that photo. Okay.
Okay.
We like to stir it up so you're really mixing the flavors there so you get a real idea.
Wow.
What do you think? Let me see.
Yeah. Tones it down.
Oh yeah.
The brightness in the beginning is gone.
It had a real bite, the first one.
Yep.
And the fruit to me is coming through a lot more. I'm really getting more of the blueberry now.
Some more body.
Yeah.
Some of the fruity flavors. Yeah.
Little syrupy. We ended up, when we increased the flow, when it started registering weight, it was 19 seconds. I didn't catch exactly how long the total time was, but I'm going to guess it was, about 17 seconds more than that with that pre-infusion. But
yeah. The first one was a nice shot, but this is definitely nice. I'd like this better.
But this is really nice. I think those fruits really come through. So
it's very noticeable.
Very noticeable. Well, Todd, thanks a lot. That's just one way that we can use the flow control to help tone down that coffee that's very fresh from roast. This Yirgacheffee from Fuego, really known for the blueberry flavors and the fruitiness.
He's a local roaster, does real nice.
Very, very nice coffee. So if you like this stuff, we'll have more on how you can use flow control in other ways down the road, because it's just one way. You can do so many things with it. Do subscribe to the channel so you get more on that. We do thank you for watching. Thank you, Todd. I'm Mark. We hope to see you back here soon for more of the best on everything coffee, brought to you by Whole Latte Love.